Problem Solving, Lesson 13.8. Problem Solving Misleading Statistics. Essential question. How can you use strategy, work backwards, to draw conclusions about a data set? Unlock the problem. Mr. Owen wants to move to a town where the daily high temperature is in the 70s most days. A real estate agent tells him that the mean daily high temperature in a certain town is 72 degrees. We're looking at the mean here. Other statistics about the town are given in the table. Does this location match what Mr. Owen wants? Why or why not? So use the graphic organizer to help you solve the problems. Graphic organizer. Okay. Town statistics for the past year. Daily high temperature. Minimum, so the lowest temperature is 62 degrees. Maximum, 95 degrees. The median, so the temperature in the middle, is 69, and then the average temperature is 72. So here's our information here, and we're looking at the table. Read the problem. What do I need to find? I need to decide if the daily high temperature in the town is usually in the 70s. So is usually in the 70s. What information do I need? I need the statistics in the table. How will I use the information? I will work backwards from the statistics to draw a conclusion about the distribution of data. Okay, solve the problem. The minimum high temperature is, so we're going to look right here with minimum, 62 degrees. The maximum temperature is 95 degrees. The median temperature is 69 degrees. Think, the high temperature is sometimes blank than 70. So we're going to look at this high temperature right here. So the minimum high temperature is less than 70. The high temperature is sometimes greater than 80. The median is the middle value of the data set. Because the median is 69, at least half of the days must have high temperatures less than or equal to 69. So does the location match what Mr. Owen wants? The median indicates that most days do not have a high temperature in the 70s. So he would not want to live there. Try another problem. Miss Garcia is buying a new car. She would like to visit a dealership that has a wide variety of cars for sale at many different price ranges. The table gives statistics about one dealership in her town. Does the dealership match Miss Garcia's requirement? Explain your reasoning. Here's your statistics. We're looking over here. So I read the problem. What do I need to find? I need to find whether the dealership has cars in many different price ranges. What information do I need? The statistics. Of car prices from the table. And then how will I use the information? I will work backwards. To see how they are distributed. Okay, solve the problem. So here's the box plot that we need to plot some information on. Okay, so if you look here, underneath the box plot, it says new car prices in thousands of dollars. So when you see 10 right here, 10 would be equal to 10,000. Okay, so let's plot this. We know that on a box plot, we need to plot the highest number and the lowest number. So the lowest price is 12,000. So that would go about right here. The highest price is 65,000. That would go there. Okay, those two are plotted. The middle price, oh wait, right here. The median price is 55,000. So that would be right here. Lower quartile, got that one, got that one, got that one. Lower quartile is 50,000. We'll go right here. And then the upper quartile is 60,000. Okay. Now remember, the box goes around the upper and the lower quartile, so around the interquartile range, and then you get a line vertically through your median number, your middle number, and then you make a line from the lowest number in your data to the box, and then from the box to the highest. That's what your box plot should look like. So the range is from $12,000 to $65,000. So if I figured out the difference there, it would be a difference of 53,000. That's the range. Okay, the interquartile range would be your upper quartile minus your lower quartile. So the interquartile range that'd be 60,000 minus 50,000. So your interquartile range would be 10,000. So your interquartile range is 10,000. Your range is 53,000. Okay, so the dealership does have a wide variety of prices, but the interquartile range is only 10,000. The box plot shows that the prices are clustered at the high end of the range. So you see how most of the numbers are on the right side of the box plot. So that would make a cluster. So this dealership does not meet her requirements. Pin's kind of messing up now. Requirements. Okay. What would the box plot look like at the dealership for a dealership that does meet her requirements? So I would say the lower quartile would be much lower. So the prices would be more spread out. I don't know what happened to my pen.